Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Surfshark VPN, one of the most affordable and powerful VPNs out there. In this video, we will cover how to install and use Surfshark in under 2 minutes, key features and pricing, and whether it is worth your money. So, download Surfshark VPN or visit surfshark.com. Choose your preferred plan and sign up, or install the app. Surfshark works on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, smart TVs, and even routers. Download the app for your device and install it. Open the app and enter your credentials. Click on Quick Connect to automatically connect to the fastest server near you, or manually choose from over 100 plus countries if you need to unblock geo-restricted content. And that's it, you are now browsing securely and privately. Now let's talk about why Surfshark is one of the best VPNs on the market. With Surfshark, your internet traffic is encrypted, making it nearly impossible for hackers, ISPs, or even governments to track your online activities. Military-grade encryption keeps your data safe from cyber threats. No logs policy means Surfshark does not track or store your browsing history. Kill switch ensures your data remains protected even if the VPN connection drops. Ever try to watch your favorite show while traveling, only to find it's not available in your country? With Surfshark, you can say goodbye to those restrictions. Unblock geo-restricted content on platforms like Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and more. Bypass censorship in countries with restricted internet access. Choose from 3,200 plus servers in 100 plus countries for a seamless browsing experience. One common concern with VPNs is speed. But with Surfshark, you don't have to sacrifice speed for security. WireGuard OpenVPN and IKEA-V2 protocols ensure blazing fast connections. Optimized servers reduce lag, perfect for gaming and streaming. No bandwidth limits, browse, download, and stream as much as you want. Here's something that sets Surfshark apart from other VPNs. One subscription covers unlimited devices. Protect your phone, laptop, tablet, smart TV, and more all at once. Share with family or friends without extra cost. Works on Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, Linux, and even routers. Now let's talk about plans and pricing. The basic plan for secure browsing, it includes VPN for unlimited devices, ad blocking, a case fix, multi-op for extra privacy. Pricing: the 24-month plan is just $2.19 a month, billed at $69.13 for 27 months. Or you can go for the 12-month plan at $3.19 a month. Need something short term? The monthly plan is $15.45. Next is Surfshark One, which builds on the starter plan. It adds antivirus, private search, and breach alert. If you choose the 24-month plan, it's $2.69 a month, billed at $72.63. The 12-month plan is $3.39 a month, and the monthly option is $17.95. Finally, there is Surfshark One Plus, the premium plan. It includes everything. The 24-month plan is $4.29 a month, billed at $115.83. The 12-month plan is $6.09 a month, and the monthly plan is $20.65. Long-term plans offer the best value, so pick one that fits your needs and enjoy secure browsing.